Oh, nasa Hello, all. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Let's start. Okay. So I would like you all to switch on your cameras. That even I'm going to do the same. Hello, guys.
Hi, madam.
Yeah. So Ramesh, you were not there yesterday. Why?
Madam, I got message at 2:30.
You got
30
messages
means
2:30. Okay. So just make this sure that you have already received this email before. You just have to join, okay? Either you join by 1 or by 2:30. If you join before, I'll let you know when to join, or if it is at 2:30, I'm there. Okay? So just connect. I'm there on Slack. You can talk to me there as well. Okay? If you find there's there's some issue that you wish. Okay. So what are we going to do? Just a minute. Okay, let it be. Okay, so guys, today I can see only three people online. I'll be expecting some more. Let's see if they come good. If they do not, then any which ways we are going to carry out. Okay, so today is okay. Let me give you an information for today. Today there was interviews conducted for few people. Okay, those who were polished, and then they went for the DXC interviews, and now still results are awaited. But yes, they were quite good at that point. So I want you all to be good at the same. You need to be performing in there. Okay, I'll let you know what to do now. I know what the XCs are going to ask you. Okay, and how you need to prepare for the same. Okay, so we'll go in that context. So I'll be starting with those questions. Okay, not exactly those questions, but the questions that might come for your interviews. Okay, so guys, like I've told you before, whenever you say that you know a particular technology, let's say for example, I'm an interviewer, I'm asking Ramesh. Okay, Ramesh, can you tell me which topic is very clear to you from Java? And you can tell me about it. Which topic is clear to you? You confident about any topic?
yeah, exceptions,
Exception.
exception.
Okay, guys, make sure, yeah, please make sure, guys, that you're connecting via laptop. Ramesh, do you have a laptop?
Yes, madam.
Please connect with that. Yeah, because I need both. Okay, so all the resources are required, but at the time of the interview, you need to be dressed properly. You need to be talking. You don't need to panic. Even if I say that you don't panic, you will, because it is the first time, or maybe you're encountering them for the first time, right? So that might create a panic which you need to get rid of. Okay, you need to talk to each other. Consider each other to be strangers and talk. Okay, the person in front of you is a very, a person who is trying to understand what is the level of your knowledge. Okay, at the time of interview, I'm talking in that term. Okay, so just make sure you are good to go in that terminology, in that domain. Okay, just be relaxed. If you study well, then you don't have to panic. Okay, if you have studied, if you have acquired the knowledge required, then you don't have to panic. The first thing. Second thing, even if you do, take a deep breath and start over. Okay, the breaths, they actually work. Take a deep breath and start over. Okay, so now laptops are very important. Okay, they are going to ask you questions, and they will ask you to perform for the same, so you need to have your laptop with you. Okay, that is a must.
Recording in
Recording
progress.
in Yeah, you need to mute one. Yes, Ramesh, mute one. Yeah, I did that, but okay. So, like we have discussed yesterday, that today we are going to do programs. Okay, so we'll go through these programs and let's see how this works. Okay, so everybody, can you switch on your IDE or Notepad? No, I want all of you to open Notepad. Notepad or Notepad plus plus. Any text editor, code editor will work. Can you open that? Yes, Ramesh, can you hear me? You
I
need to unmute
open
yourself.
I open Notepad.
Yes. Yes. Now, I'll be giving you one question each and you will have to give me an output. Okay? We'll be giving you 15 minutes for the same. Okay? Only 15 minutes. And that too, that's too much. So you need to be good with that. Given the list, I've given you the list, correct? All of you. Okay. So, this goes very common that all three of you should be knowing what is a prime number and how to find it out. Okay? So we'll discuss about the logic if you have any doubt. But apart from that, the question that I want to give you all. Okay, so Pawan, you have this question. The question is to find the strong number. To find a strong number. Okay, wait. Second question for Karthik. uh, to reverse a string without using any string handling function. Okay, reverse a string without using any string handling function or any inbuilt function. You cannot use caret. You cannot use any substring or anything. Okay, next, Ramesh, for you, you are going to give me factorial of a number.
Factorial of a number.
Yes. Okay, you just have 15 minutes, guys. It is a 2:37 in my clock, and please count 15 minutes from there and finish it up. Okay, now for Pavan, yes, before moving on ahead, I want you all to tell me the logic. What is the approach that you're going to follow? Starting with you, Pavan.
First, the number should be splitted. The first we should enter the number which is to be identified as a strong number. We should check the condition whether it is strong by separating the digits of the number and by finding factorial of each and every individual digit. We will know if the number is equal to the sum of factorials of individual digit, then it is known as factorial. Strong number, sorry. Strong number.
Okay, fine. So, Karthik, how are you going to go ahead?
Uh, well, I don't know actually about the without using the caret. I already like used the caret. Yesterday also I have done the like I guess same word, but I used the caret on the reversing the string. I really don't know how.
Okay, so let's keep string to the bay. You give me the program for second largest number. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, second largest number of an array. Array, integer array. Okay, how are you going to do that? Without using any function. Okay, again, the function is something prohibited. I don't want you to use that. Just give something. Okay, you just don't have to be thinking too much. Whatever comes into your mind. Like what you understood, right? The second largest number. Let's say, for example, if I've got an array containing 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, the second largest number here is 40. Yeah?
Yes.
How will you get me that number?
First we will. Uh,
Relax. Take your time, only the 15 minutes which you have, and start programming. Okay? And don't bite your nails. Okay, Ramesh.
Madam.
काय
I
विचारलं मी तुम्हाला? तुम्ही मराठी ना?
नाही तेलुगू मॅडम.
Telugu, you seem to be Marathi. Okay, no issues. Okay, so what I want is you tell what is the program that I gave you?
Factorial.
Factorial of a number, right?
Hmm.
Now, instead of a single number, you're going to give me factorial of let's say 1 to 5.
1 to 5.
Factorial of 1, factorial of 2, factorial of 3, and factorial of 4 and 5. Okay? How are you going to do this?
First of all, we define the values in integer value. Int equal to, we can give the conditions. We can use if
Okay.
conditions. I less than or equal to n 5.
Okay.
Using if condition, we can find out factorial.
Go ahead. Let's see. Okay? Quick, guys, only 15 minutes. I won't be giving you any more time. Okay? Guys, just 5 more minutes. Can you hear me? Only 5 more minutes, and then we'll be discussing about.
Okay, madam.
Hello, guys. Can you hear? I can see people, those who are watching from your window, Karthik. They are peeping through your window, right? I can see them.
Actually, ma'am, I have not done yet my lunch, so they're waiting.
Sorry?
I haven't done yet my lunch.
So they were calling you for that.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll
Yes,
free you in
ma'am.
half an hour. Okay?
Uh,
I won't be taking a very big session today. In half an hour, you can go and have your lunch.
yeah.
Okay? Yeah, that's quite creepy. People watching from behind, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Relax, I'll let you know whenever they come back. Okay? Okay, so it seems that it's about time. So shall we continue? Still beeping. Gone. Okay. Yes. So Karthik, I'll start with you. Okay? Oh, stop. I'll start with you. You need to share the screen. Okay? Make sure whenever you are into such calls, okay, all of you, you encounter least disturbances. I understand you all are from home, so I have seen a lot of things going around in your background. It's not only for you, but still, when you are in the interview, make sure that things don't bother, such things don't bother you. You are freely available just to concentrate on what your interview is asking for you to do. Am I clear to all? Yes, this is just a training, just a mock that here we are discussing, so that's fine. Okay. If that does not, if there's any thing, I can say that Pawan's parents were also there when he was there into this call, so it's okay. But don't make yourself hesitant. If people are around, you're concentrating on what I'm saying, then it's fine. Okay. People are around and you're concentrating on what they are doing, then I'm not fine. Okay. So just make sure that you are concentrating on what I wish to talk or what I wish to discuss in here. Okay, so I have given the authority to share your screen. So Karthik, can you do the same? Share with me the screen that whatever code you have written, and then we'll go ahead with it. Okay, so you are not able to complete the code on time. First thing, okay. So you need to pace up. Take your hand off your mouth. Okay. You need to listen to me, sit up straight, and be very relaxed. Okay. Don't be agitated. You're very in a panicking mode. Just relax. Whatever code you have written, I'm just going to review that and tell you what you need to do. Okay? Relax. Okay. So your indentation is okay. Okay. After your public static void main, whatever you have written should be indented further. That means system.out.println should go inside. Two tabs are required in there. Okay? Or everything that is inside your public static void main should go one tab ahead. Okay, so it includes everything. Correct. You understood this. Okay, fine. You can do that later. Okay, the scanner is fine in scan. What is scan? What is scan? Be specific with your words. Okay, do not use anything which you have not defined. It is going to give you compiler error or some errors which is going to make you more restless during the time of interviews. So you need to just not make them happen. Try to. So how is this going to get how can you get off this thing is by doing more and more practice. So practice more on these programs. Okay, I've given the list already. I want you to go through all the programs, do the program, give yourself a timer, okay, and then go through it. You are creating a so you accepted size of an array. Okay, that's That's okay. So you're accepting the array elements. That's it. Yeah. Okay. So by the end of the day, you're on Slack, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
today.
Yes. So after you have your lunch, that is in half an hour. After that, you're going to do this program, and I trust you on this that you're not going to copy anything from the internet and will be sending me the code. Okay, on Slack, on a private message. Yes, you can directly message me. You can do a DM to me. Okay. Yes, you can stop. Okay, yes, your code looks fine, but it's not at all complete. Nothing is complete in here. So you can stop sharing. I can ask Pawan to share his screen. Pawan, please continue, Karthik. Continue with your code. Unmute yourself, Pawan.
Yes, ma'am.
This is big. You have yellow cursor. Okay, and it's slow. What is the RAM size?
16.
Be more inclined towards your keyboard. Okay, make use of enters, make use of alt, control, and everything. Avoid making a lot of use of your what do you call the keypad or your mouse. Okay, not the keypad, the mouse pad on your mouse. Okay, just use it for the other purposes that you want to do for a specific thing, for pointers basically. Apart from that, you need to be pro in your keyboard. Okay, you should know almost all the shortcuts. First thing that I see wrong here, can you tell me what is the first line? Why it is not correct? The first line is incorrect.
C is capital.
Why is the first line incorrect?
C is capital.
Yes,
Yes, capital letters.
that's it. That's it. Which one? So this is correct now, right? There's no mistake in this program. That is what you're saying. Okay. Import. So what do you think? Still, your second line is correct. There's no rocket science. Just look at your code, you'll get to know. Who can tell me what is not correct in here?
C is small letter M and public is not mentioned.
So it says that you need to have lowercase keyword and uppercase identifiers. We discussed this long back, right? They will stop you if they see such kind of code because they did to one of the candidate. Practice. Okay. Have a reason to rectify whatever you have done wrong.
Ma'am.
Okay,
Hello.
there should be no two tabs. You're having two tabs for the bracket of public static void main, bracket, the curly braces for public static void main. Where is the curly braces for public static void main? Below it,
String beside brackets.
the curly braces.
Yeah.
Dude, line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
That is called as curly braces.
This is
Go back, go backspace, do backspace. Not there. Which language do you understand? I'm not familiar with your native language. Which is your native language?
Telugu.
अरे यार कोई भी ऐसा लैंग्वेज का नहीं जो हिंदी में बात करे, है ना? हिंदी समझता?
हिंदी भी आता मैडम।
कि थोड़ा थोड़ा आती है, बस
थोड़ा थोड़ा आती? Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am, I can
you need
understand.
to. Okay, great. That's nice. You should understand. Okay, because I'm your teacher and I know Hindi. I don't know your
मैम मैं
mother tongue, so
मेरा मतलब हिंदी ही था मैम, इसमें संस्कृत में भी था।
what is your mother tongue?
माइन
Karthik?
इज ओडिया मैम।
OMG. So that is far more out of my reach. I've never, taught from anybody from Orissa. My dad teaches though, so he must be knowing that native language. So your code says, and still you have not put the bracket to your left hand side. There's no two tab spaces required for the bracket. Yeah, there, and do a backspace. Yeah. Why don't you have a tab in there? You need to work. Okay, this will work. Fine. Okay, int AB, sum 0, F1, sum 2 is equal to 0. So here you are accepting it into a scanner. What are you accepting? Which value are you accepting using scanner?
scanf integer.
So you're not prompting about it. There's no system.println for what is this value that you're accepting and putting inside A.
Okay.
Tap spaces, never to use space bars. That's okay. Now you do it whatever you did. Don't do tap space now. Your Python is too much in Java, right? You do a lot of Python and Java. Yes?
What, ma'am?
You do a lot of Python and Java.
Yes, madam.
Okay, so you're accepting a number, you're putting inside A and you're checking if it is greater than 1. And you're saying B is equal to A mod 10. Sum is equal to that I need to fill in. And for I is equal to B. B value is the digit that you are going to get as a remainder, which is the last one. I is greater than equal to 1 and I minus minus. So you're going to count, do the factorial. So for this one, you can create a separate factorial function and call in here, right? Like I've told you before when you were working in there. Okay. So this, and after that, you're saying if sum is equal to A, the given number is strong now. What is sum? What
Some
is sum? What have you initialized sum with? Sum 2. What have you initialized? Okay, sum 2 is the factorial of the number which you get. And A is the number, the original number which you have. Let me tell you. First thing, you can have separate functions for doing this. Okay. You can create static functions, so you don't have to create an object and call inside public static void main. You can directly call the methods in here without creating an object. Second, you can reduce the number of variables which you have in the code. Okay, the code contains a lot of variables. You can just get rid of them and have something more more meaningful in here. Okay. The third point, you're not using someone, and for this, your code is incomplete. Okay,
I
and
found
indentation is a very big issue in here. Okay, so I would request you to complete your code without copying it from the internet and send it to me in the direct chat.
ma'am,
Yes,
I find it difficult for using the looping statements for. I got
you
a
find
doubt.
it difficult.
I got a doubt that can the number be divided into separate digits? How could that be possible? I have written a statement that accepting a reminder, but further I couldn't think of what. Not getting an idea about.
Okay, let me just tell you some of the concepts that you can work with. Okay, how can you apply it? How can you implement it? I'll give you a solution for the same. Okay. So let you close it. I want Ramesh to share his screen. You can just close your sharing.
Madam, is it visible? This is my
I
first
don't
time screen
understand.
sharing.
Yeah. I can see your screen, but line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't understand. Line number 7. I don't understand, and also after that, I don't understand. Can you explain me what are you following in here? How are you calculating the
Yeah,
factorial now?
I will. I initialize the int fact equal to 1. After that condition, I wrote. I think this is wrong. After the
Why do you think it is
for
wrong?
condition int
No, I'm asking why
I
do you think it
equal
is
to
wrong?
5 means in the I plus 1 less than 5, I think.
So
Condition.
why is it wrong? Why is that condition wrong?
If I equal to 5, madam.
What is
Mm,
I?
I didn't
You don't
derive I
introduce
equal
I.
to 1. That's why I think it's wrong.
Define. You did not define I is equal to 1.
Yeah,
You need to be working very hard. Are you from the IT background or a non-IT background?
IT background, madam.
Still, your program says something else.
Yeah, just my
Yeah, you need to
college.
work very hard.
Yeah,
You need to work very hard. Be in contact with me. I'll help
okay.
you out. You need to come to me to help you. Okay?
Okay,
You can
madam.
stop sharing. Your whole code is wrong. Nothing is going to work. Okay? Not to be
Madam,
demotivated. Okay, now you can stop sharing of your screen. I can share mine. Now I'll tell you how to get on the logic. Okay, I'll give you some
madam,
crisp key points that you can utilize for writing in your program. Okay, let me see the window. Where is it? What is the topic that we are working with? Topics. Okay, sharing my screen. Okay, so it's not the topic, it was questionnaire. अरे यार इतने सारे फाइल बनाने का तो ऐसे ही होगा ना. Right click. Come on. I need to curate everything and keep it inside a single file, or I'll be keeping it into a single folder and sharing it with you all. And this might take some time because I don't get a lot of time for working with it. C is capita. I don't understand. Why is C capita, Karthik?
Okay.
You said C is capita. Why is it capita?
One second.
Can you guys see my screen?
yeah,
So
madam.
let's say I've got these programs with me. Okay, these are set of programs that I have. Okay.
Mm,
Now I will tell you the logic what you need to apply. Okay. I won't tell you everything, but some of it. So I'll start with the one which is more relevant and which is used. I'll start with some integer, some prime number. Can you get me the prime number if you see any prime number? Where are you prime? Got it. It's here. Okay. So prime number says, first of all, the example for it. Okay, I will keep an example first and then I will give the logic. Okay, the example for prime number is either 2, okay, or maybe say 3, 5, 7, then 11, and so on. So the list goes on. So what is this prime number? Okay. So when I say prime number, okay, sorry. So
Okay, mate.
my baby wants my laptop. Yeah, because I'm studying, so he wants to watch to the people who are there on the screen. He wants to talk to them. So
Then give mobile.
okay, mobile. Why?
Big cartoons.
You know,
Your baby want to watch
now the
cartoons.
screen. You know, they get a lot, a very fat specs. It's
Mm.
not a good idea to give phones or anything else. Okay, we are going off the topic. Okay, logic for prime number. Prime number, how would you take that in? Okay, so first of all, prime number says that, or the logic says, or I would say the approach, or I'm going to just say in words, any number, okay, divisible, divisible by itself. Okay, any number which is divisible by itself is called as a prime number.
And
Okay, by itself and one.
two by
Okay,
two.
and one and no other digit. So how can you think of a logic in here? So let's say, for example, I will take a variable. Okay, I am saying let n is equal to 2. I have got a number that I'm accepting from the user. Let that be 2. So number is equal to 2. So now I need to get whether this number which I have accepted from the user is a prime number or not. So how am I going to do that? I need to check that whether this number is divisible by 1. So it will be divisible. So there's no point of dividing again the number, because all the numbers in the chart, in the number, all the numbers is divisible by, are divisible by 1, right? That is the first thing. Second point, what you can do over here is you are going to divide this number by all the other digits which you have. Okay, let's say, for example, until the same number is achieved. That means you are going to, if I start by dividing it by I have got the number 2. I'll divide the number 2 starting from 1. Okay, so if I say, if I'm starting with 1, it does not make any sense because it is divisible. If I try dividing it from 2, then it will say 2 is divisible by 2, yes. And if the number and the divisible number, okay, the number which with which I'm dividing it, if it is equal, then I say it is prime number, else it is not. Now I have said this very quickly. I'll make it a very into a simpler manner. Okay, let's say this. So let's say, for example, what I'm going to say, I'm getting a number. So I'm saying I have a number and I store it inside this and I name it as, let's say, 7. Okay, even this is a prime number. Now I will have to divide this number. Number has to be divided. Okay, I need to do a mod for this number with a number I. Okay, let's say I'll be dividing it for this, and I'll be saying is equal to 0. Okay, so what is this I? My I is going to be I is going, let's say, it is not going to be 1 because all the numbers are divisible by 1, so I cannot take 1. I'll be taking 2, let's say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why till 7? Because the number is only till 7, and beyond that checking is not going to make any sense, because if we go into the table, that will make an issue. Okay, you understand? Yes, guys, understood
Yes,
this
ma'am.
point? So two
Yes, ma'am.
variables defined. My logic says that I'll be dividing this number with number I. So it is going to be into a loop. So let's say I'm taking this into a for loop, okay, or whatever loop you have, and loop it for all the numbers. So if this number is giving me an output 0 for the same number, okay, so if I say here, if num number is equal to the latest value of I, okay, whatever value of I that you get, okay, latest value, then you say that this is a prime number, else it is not a prime number. Yes, you get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Now let me give you the logic of prime. Okay. Now let me give you the program for prime. What are we doing? Program for prime. Prime number. I'm getting Amazon Prime. Prime number. So there are various sites you can follow, whatever is okay with you. Okay. There are various ways as well. So I'll be sharing this sheet with all of you. I'll upload it onto my drive and share it with you guys so that you get whatever I'm talking here about. Okay? You guys get this prime number? Is this clear to all? Yes? Yes, people.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
If you're
Where,
not
madam?
talking to anyone, yes?
Where I didn't get. Yes.
Did you
Now
understand
we
what I
get.
said?
Yes, madam.
I did not send it
Now I'm
before.
get.
Yeah.
Just now only we received it.
Because I sent it now. I was going to send the whole file, but now you just want that, so let's have that. Okay. Okay. The next question. Which question is going to be fine? Now let's say, for example, the second largest number of an array. Okay, this is what I've given, right? Let's say my array is having the value such as 4, let's say 8, 2,
Ma'am,
and
Madam, in that link, total link program was there in the link.
so I gave you that. What did
ma'am,
you want?
in the previous thing, in the previous logic, you have said that you can use loops by using conditional statements, uh, number modulus of 3 and number modulus of 2 equal to 0. So in that case, we can find out the prime number. Is it okay?
I want an output. I'm just giving you a sample website to refer to. I'm not asking you to be very specific and only use this. Okay? You can refer to whichever. It should give you an output in short. That's it. Nothing else. Okay. Let's say, for example, this is my array and I want to find out the second largest number. What do you think? Which is the second largest number in here?
By sorting. Sorting.
I'm asking you the second largest number. Which is the second largest number?
4,
4. 4.
4,
6.
6,
6.
6, 6,
6, 6.
6,
Cool.
6 madam.
Yes. Okay. So now the logic says that, like you were saying, first I need to sort the array. So how is sorting going to help me? The sorting is going to arrange all the elements in ascending order or maybe in descending order. So if you're doing in ascending order, then you just have to get the second last value. And if you're doing in descending order, then you can get the second value. Okay. Then you do is sort. Once you sort the array, then you get the mm, number using um, second
Yes.
index 1 for descending sort for descending sort spelling. Okay, just don't bother with my spelling. Descending descending sort and what um index n minus 2. So let's say if the index number is 10, so n minus 2, that means it is going to be 8. Okay, that is going to give me the second largest digit. So for ascending sort, ASCENDING sort. Okay, guys, understood? Yes, people. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So now, how are you going to do this? Basic thing. Okay, you're going to simply apply sort technique. So there's an if and for that you can make use of. Let's say, for example, the array which is already given to me. I'll be accepting that array or will be accepting it from the user. An array has to
A
be
equal
defined or declared for the same.
for
Okay.
8.
Then whatever you write in there. Okay. The array value. Then you accept it from the user or you just directly assign the value depending upon what is going to be the question asked. Okay. Next, you are going to talk about sort. So for sorting, you are going to make use of ifs, loops and ifs. Okay, loops and ifs are if is required. Loop, it's not also loop, but loops, but loop is required. Not more than one loop will be required for this. And after sorting, you are just going to fetch the required number using index value. Yes, what is an index value? A of 0, A of 1, A of 2. Okay, the position numbers of the array elements are called as index values. Are we clear about this? Yes, any doubt with this? Yes,
So
people. मत बंद कर इंटरनेट मर जाता है Okay, guys.
yes, ma'am.
So how about you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
I cannot see you guys.
पीछे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा।
Maybe there's some internet issue at my end. Yes. Hello.
Voice was not clear, madam. That's it.
Awkward. Okay. Not it's just my
Maybe
internet
internet
not
issues.
paying very good for me. You know, I need to do it again. Very awkward. Very.
Internet issues, madam. Maybe.
Still cannot see you guys, but I suppose you understood what is to be done. Yeah?
Yeah, madam.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
People, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes.
madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
We are hearing, madam.
another was
Hello.
बना मुझे बीस हो जाता है ना टाइम इतना। Hello, can
Yeah, madam.
you hear me, guys?
Yeah, madam.
Yes, people, can you hear me?
Yes, madam.
Now, can you
No,
hear?
ma'am. No,
I
ma'am.
hope yes. So let's make it in this way. You'll be having some disturbances, but
So much disturbances, madam.
you'll have to um, bear with that. Okay. So yes, of course, I can post you the
Yeah,
mail.
madam.
But what I want you all to do,
Hello, ma'am.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, madam.
Okay. So we shall meet tomorrow now. Okay.
Ma'am, is there
And
any group? Just only Slack.
it is the Slack group that you can look up to. If there's any other group, I'll let you know. Okay. You can
Yeah,
talk to
madam.
me there.
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am.
I've given the
Mm,
program questions there itself. Okay.
mm.
Copy paste it and make sure that you do major of those questions. If
Yeah,
you have
madam.
any doubt, keep it out the way. We will discuss about that.
Yeah,
Okay.
madam.
So
Ma'am,
tomorrow,
can you
I
post your email ID?
my email address is end up the session here. Okay.
Yeah, madam. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Make sure you guys are ready. Okay, Pavan. Now, since you are in this batch, okay, I want you to be answering most of the questions. Okay, tomorrow I'll be going along with OOP questions. Do you understand me, Pavan?
Yeah,
It
ma'am.
not only
Yeah.
implies to Pavan, it implies to everyone. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Ramesh and
Okay, ma'am.
Karthik, even you
Yes,
guys,
ma'am.
just go through all the concepts which are there. We are going to see the concepts along with that. We'll see the programs of those concepts in the implementation format. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
okay, great. So we shall meet tomorrow at 1 p.m.
1 p.m.
Yes,
Same group ID, ma'am, or different?
same ID.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Bye,
Bye, ma'am.
bye
Hello,
all.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, Pavan. Yes, Pavan.
is that only logic enough for the program, or else we should completely write the programs?
Try writing the whole program. Set a timer if it is possible. Let's say 15-minute timer, 20 minutes timer. Before doing that, what you can do is you can just go through the logic from online, whatever is there. Try to understand the logic. Once you have understood, try implementing on the program. Try implementing on the IDE or the notepad. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Okay, so
ma'am.
that is it is in that way you can attempt it at your end.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So
Thank
if
you.
you need anything, you can let me know. Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
ma'am.
there available on Slack. Okay, guys. Bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
I think your daughter.
No, my son.
Son. Oh.
Okay. Bye bye.